Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights on the latest automotive products. Today, we're diving into a solution that could potentially save you from a coolant catastrophe. I'm talking about the Liqui Moly Radiator Stop Leak, touted as the best radiator stop leak for plastic on the market. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about what makes this radiator stop leak stand out. Liqui Moly is a trusted brand known for its high-quality automotive additives and treatments. This stop leak is designed to tackle small leaks caused by various issues like stone impacts, porous soldering points, or hairline cracks in your cooling system. Packaged in a convenient 250 ml bottle, this radiator stop leak is a lifesaver for those unexpected coolant leaks. Whether you're dealing with a minor drip or a more significant issue, Liqui Moly promises to seal those leaks effectively and immediately. Firstly, it's compatible with all cooling water and heating systems, whether they have water filters or not. This versatility ensures that it can be used across a wide range of vehicles. Additionally, it's important to note that Liqui Moly Radiator Stop Leak doesn't contain solid particulates. This means it won't clog up your system, providing a reliable solution without causing further issues down the road. So, what are the benefits of using Liqui Moly Radiator Stop Leak? Well, apart from sealing leaks effectively, it also helps secure the combustion chamber from potential damages caused by coolant leaks. Imagine you're on a road trip, and suddenly, you notice your temperature gauge climbing higher than normal. With Liqui Moly Radiator Stop Leak on hand, you can quickly address the issue and prevent further damage to your engine. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable solution to combat coolant leaks in your vehicle, look no further than Liqui Moly Radiator Stop Leak. With its proven effectiveness and trusted brand reputation, it's a product you can count on when you need it most. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive insights and reviews. Until next time, drive safe.